John, give me food. Tonight I'm so hungry. Tonight my eyes are searching for a way. Holy John, give me shelter. Tonight I'm so juggler, and his skill was very great, but he said that he was leaving. He said he couldn't wait, and the second came with jewels that flickered on his hand as he spoke about tomorrow as if it were another land. But a lady caught between them said she should be free, and they just looked bewildered and said yes, so should we. It made him very proud.